Okay, y'all, with most states under stay-at-home or shelter-in-place orders in an effort to try to flatten the COVID-19 curve, most of us have suddenly found ourselves having to work from home. Well, today I'm going to show you two options of how you can create the perfect stay-at-home space, assuming you don't already have a dedicated home office. By the way, if you do have a home office, lucky you. I bet you are so happy that you had that as a must-have item on your wish list while you were house hunting. While the home I currently live in does have a home office, my husband and kids have had to use that space for his work and for their homeschooling. That means I've had to set up my office in our master bedroom. Thankfully, I already had a desk in this space. So I'm going to use this space to show you how to create a work area without taking over the entire room. Here's what you'll need for option number one: a lamp, organizational trays, baskets, or bins, a source of inspiration, a comfy chair, a tabletop large enough to hold your necessities, and a source of power. And here are some things that would be nice to have: a candle or diffuser, a plant, a clock, a source of natural light. In my bedroom, the desk was originally placed on the wall opposite the windows. I moved the desk over to the wall perpendicular to the windows so that I could be closer to the source of natural light. As you set up your new home office, don't be afraid to move things around or change the orientation of where things are placed to get a setup that is optimal for how you like to work. Now, one of the downsides of having an open concept, open floor plan home is that there are no closed off rooms, which means finding quiet corners or private spaces to work is nearly impossible. That's why using a corner of your master bedroom or guest room is the perfect place to start. If you don't have the spare room in your master bedroom or guest bedroom, then you might want to consider option number two, a mobile home office setup. This option is ideal if you want to be fluid and adjustable depending on the day or the time of day that you're working. This is also ideal if you're in a situation like most of us have found ourselves in, where we're working from home with lots of other people who have different daily routines. In my case, my kids are doing their schoolwork in the mornings, so the main living areas are relatively quiet during the morning hours. Working at the kitchen counter or at the breakfast room table is ideal during these times of day because I can access the natural light without worrying about disturbing them or running the risk of them popping up on my teleconference calls. To create an easy to transition mobile office flow, you'll need the following: a large bin, an extension cord or surge protector, a placemat, a mouse pad, double-sided Velcro for cord management. The storage bin helps you keep all of your items organized, and the extension cord helps you access power outlets with ease. The mat and mouse pad protect the tabletop from scratches that can happen while typing on your laptop or moving your mouse. When work is done, place the bin in a cabinet, the same cabinet each day, so that you can easily locate it when it's time to start work again. As you look for ideal places to set up your mobile home office, here are a few things you might want to consider. Ergonomics. Make sure that the area you choose to work in is comfortable and that table heights and seat heights support you ergonomically. This will allow you to work longer without discomfort. And privacy. Try to find areas to work in where you won't cause a disruption and where you're not likely to be disturbed. Here are a few ideas of spaces in your home that might make the perfect location for your new home office setup: a dining table, the breakfast nook, the laundry room, a mudroom, and even a generously sized closet with outlets. As you try out these mobile home office spaces, be sure to keep these tips from option number one in mind. Make sure you have adequate lighting. In fact, try to get as close to the source of natural light as possible. Find a source of inspiration. Face an inspiring piece of art or enjoy the views of nature just beyond the windows. And finally, make sure you have a place to rest your phone, your notebook, and your drink, even if your lap will serve as your tabletop. I hope these tips help you create the perfect, ideal workspace as we all do our part to help flatten the curve of COVID-19. So, where's your home office setup? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and transformations.